This owner's initial prank on his cat escalated into a complete mess. He initially bought some iron powder, molded it into the shape of cat poop, and placed it in the litter box. When the cat went to the bathroom, he pulled out a magnet, and the fake poop suddenly took flight, startling the cat. The cat was so taken aback that it actually believed its poop could fly. From then on, every time it went to the bathroom, it stared intently at the litter box, fearing its poop would escape again. The owner then bought a new litter box and mixed it with black cracker crumbs, shaping it into the shape of fake poop. Then, he pretended to eat the fake poop. The cat was completely stunned, staring blankly, and even tried to sneak away. Even more outrageous, the owner fed the fake poop to another cat, leaving the first cat stunned. So, the next time it went to the bathroom, it actually tasted its own poop. The owner collapsed on the spot and rushed over to brush the cat's teeth. While brushing, he regretted it and vowed never to play such a prank again.